So what we have today is this little Bluetooth speaker that my daughter brought to me, and she told me that the USB port fell inside. And if we turn it over and take a look at the back, it's kind of hard to see, but there's just nothing there. Apparently it fell off inside of this, and I don't hear it rattling around, but let's take this apart and see if we can find out what happened. All right, well, we did finally get it apart, and you can see the blue light flashing there. So this does still work. It's literally just that the charging port fell off. See if we can turn it off again. See if we can just turn this off real quick. There it goes. And look at that. The USB port. Let's see if we can reuse this one. If not, I might have a replacement. But I'm just going to see if we can reuse this one since I don't see, it looks fine. So, yeah. It looks like it just ripped off the board. I'm going to get this under the microscope and just see if we can get a better look at the pads and make sure there's no real damage. Yeah, so I don't see that any of the pads are actually damaged. It looks to me just like, I don't know, the solder, what would that be, a cold joint there, and the solder just broke, and the solder mask ripped off a little bit there, but it looks like the ground pads are still in place. We should be able to use those just fine, and then all of these, I mean, we only need, it's just for power, so we don't really need all of these. Anyways, but yeah, it looks okay. That doesn't look so great, but I mean, it is working, so. Taking a quick peek around while I have it open. Let's look at the connector real quick too. Yeah. Yeah, I think we can just solder this right back in place. I don't see any damage to the pins. I don't see any damage inside. I think we'll just try and reuse this one. I'll go ahead and add a tiny bit of fresh solder. See if we can clean up these pins a little bit. I'm not convinced there's enough solder on those pins, but I think it's at least solid enough in place that I can try to do these ground pins a little bit better. And then I'm going to come back and try to get a bit more on these pins in the back. That's obviously too much. mess of this. I'm relatively happy with that. It's not pretty, but make sure all these pins are good, and they seem to be. These two, there's only one giant pad there, so I'm not too worried about that. That's just the, it's like for ground. And yeah, I think I got a lot of solder there, but I really wanted to make sure this was going to be sturdy, and we got a little bit on this side. I was trying to get a bit more, but I think that'll be fine. And it's yeah, I think that's on there pretty solid. So let's clean this up. And let's see if we can go ahead and get this put back together. I probably should test this port out before I put it together all the way, but no. I think I'm gonna have to glue this back on. There's not actually clips, so yeah, I'll probably have to get some glue and glue this back piece back on. Yeah, it lines up nicely. Is that gonna stay on like that? Let's see how easy. Yeah, it doesn't seem to come off super easy, so that might be fine. Let me grab a cable and see if it charges. Pretty short cable, but I have a plug right here. Let's see what happens. I believe there should be a blue light back here. Oh, red light. Alright, there you go. The light's off. See, come on. Alright, there we go. Pretty quick fix. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.